Hi, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and really cute card. I'm going to use Witty Cisms. This is a stamp set that was helped designed by my friend Lisa Fast. Super cute set, and the thing I like most about it is that you can pull together some really quick and easy and bright and cheerful and cards for all occasions. So the one we're going to do today, I'm going to use just some Whisper White cardstock. So I'm just going to fold it in half. It's 5.5 by 4.25 when it's done. It's just your standard size card. And then I have the coordination paper that's available right now. It's a limited edition and it's designed to go with all of our punches. So I'm going to use the one that's designed to go with this little flower punch here. And this is a sale-a-bration punch, so you can get it free through the end of March. So I'm going to use that, and then this is the same piece of paper just flipped over on one side. So I'm going to use both sides because it's too cute to cover up both of them. The paper set itself is designed, it has a piece that goes with the heart punch, the umbrella punch, the umbrella, I should have brought it over here, but it is only available for a limited time. So if you want it, you need to get it soon. And then I'm using this one that goes with the flower. So I'm going to use the little baby carriage that's in the stamp set. Just stamp that there, and it says welcome little one. It's super cute. The other fun thing about this stamp set is if you chose to, you could cut the words apart from that if you wanted, or you could do some omitting, which I do have a video right now of some omitting techniques using the ladybugs, and I turned them into bees. So I'm going to color real quick with my blends. Let's make this one, what color do we want to have our carriage? Let's do the baby carriage in dark saffron. So our carriage will be yellow, and I'm going to use my brush tips because this paper kind of is, I'm going to kind of match the style of the paper. So you can see what I mean. It's got kind of a brushy aspect to it. And then over here, I'm just going to kind of add some of this. And you'll see why I'm doing that in a second, because I'm just going to use some white cardstock in addition to this. And then let's do our little heart here. So I'm using the blends more for their opaque factor as opposed to their blending factor, because you couldn't really do this with, let's go little, with our Stampin' Write markers, because when you color with our markers, they're so stark. And this, you can see, you can kind of get still some of this see-through right here. So this is a super quick card. We're going to make this at camp. Sometimes it's nice to just have a baby card on hand, and that way if you need it, there it is. And I like to color my words like this just to kind of give them a little bit of highlight. One more little thing over here. And we've got our punches. This is one of the new ones in the mini catalog. It's a fun shape. So just stick this in here and get our welcome little one. So we have that little banner there. And I'm going to use our little flower punch. And this way I didn't need to cut up a whole bunch of different colors of cardstock. I'm just going to get some fun colored flowers to add for some highlights. Some little embellishment pieces, but the blends give us a nice little, just cut this so I can get in there. Some fun little colors, but without having to use a bunch of cardstock. And again, it kind of just mimics, I just pulled the colors of blends that match the colors that are in there. Now we just have to stick this little thing together and we are done. And you could do the same card with the other stamps that are in there, and it would look really cute. Now this one, I'm gonna go this direction. On my other ones, I've tried to go this way so you could see more of the colors, but I'm down to the ends of my pieces of scrap because we're using this at camp, making this at camp, and when you have to cut a bunch of your cardstock. So I cut this one up. This was like an end piece, so you'll be able to see more of it this way. And then we'll just stick this here. Just like that. And then grab some dimensionals. I'm gonna stick like 3 of them on here to give this a little bit of height so I can stick my ribbon under it. Stick this over in the corner. Then I have some ribbon that I've dyed. I've dyed it Rococo Rose, which isn't a color that I used, but on the tool, when you dye the ribbon and it's got the see-through factor, our colors coordinate enough that it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna get a little snippet of it here. And then I'm going to take and do my favorite technique for ribbon when you don't want to tie a bow. So just get one glue dot and then do a loop here, and then get another glue dot just on top of that here, and then take this part down. So you have 2 loops. Then you can kind of pull this. Now you've got a double little loop here thing. See how cute that is? It's super simple. And grab one more little glue dot. This is why my thing is up on dimensionals, because now I can take my scissors or my take your pick tool and kind of lift this up and just pull that down in there. And then you've got that stuck in there and it's super cute. And then 2 of these I will add flat and 2 I'll add raised up. And it doesn't matter, just pick 2. And then I'll get 2 and add dimensionals to 2 of them. And the fun thing about this paper is because of the colors that it is, it works well when you know you have a baby girl coming or a baby boy, or if you don't know, because it's perfect colors. There's the greens, the yellows, the purples, and then the pinks and the blues. So whichever way you're going, whichever need you have for your baby card, all those colors are in there. Then I'm just going to take some pearls. Just grab 2 of those. And put those on my 2 raised up ones. Just kind of as the little focal point. You can color them with the blends if you want them to be, or you can just leave them white. On that one, I'm going to leave them white. On the other one, I have colored them. The other one, I put 3 flowers. I did this on our Facebook Live a couple of weeks ago. It's colored a little bit different a little bit arrangement of everything, but you can see that this would be an easy card to just keep adapting. I like this better than seeing the colors. This way you see a little bit more of the colors. But when you're down to the final scraps of your designer series paper, don't let that stop you from a design. Just go the other way and be okay with it. So I hope you like that. It's a great little stamp set. If you have a friend that you're introducing to stamping, this is a perfect starter stamp set. So have a great day. Bye.